Well, folks, a new Prime TIG 225X welder from primeweld. Let's carefully open this baby up. So we're all informed here. I have a little snap-on welder. Model TIG 225 AC/DCP primeweld. Well, I'll be needing help. That's for sure. Well, look at this packaging. It is pretty nice. Should probably save all this. Maybe that's something else. I don't know what to do here. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, mommy. Look at that packaging, folks. Top notch. Oh my God, this thing is absolutely very, very heavy. Whew. Very, very heavy. Well, there's the cord. Seems like this little Craftsman toolbox is gonna do it. Let's see what else we have. Just take this out so we can get this next one out. Ooh, this one's got some weight to it too. And where do we begin? CK Worldwide, the standard in TIG welding. Folks, I've never TIG welded before. And yeah. That's about it. Feels nice. Definitely feels nice. Let's see what kind of quality we have here. Feels good. What do we have going on here? I got us all bound up. Alright, we're gonna have to straighten those out. What do we have here? Something we're gonna have to look into. Alright. See a little package here. It's like another one of those little cups, things. Ooh. So we got one piece of electrode to get going on. Here's the finger controller. I guess if you want, you can tape that on to the handle from the many videos I've watched. And this is going to be our 110 adapter. What do we need tonight? I don't know what this stuff is. And this will be the regulator. Oh yeah, look at that packaging. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Alright, well, we'll save this and let's see if I can cheat and just use that one for now. We'll do all this stuff. And that has got some weight to it. That is a line that goes with the regulator and the foot pedal. Yes, we're just gonna jump right into the foot pedal. Ooh, and this is definitely, tell it's nicely made. Primeweld. Heavy. Heavy means good. Well, I'll just put that here for now. What else do we have here? And this is the stinger. I have a feeling I'll be using this one probably a lot more than the TIG welding and the ground. And once again, this ground cable got some nice weight to it. Ooh, nice and strong. Well, let's see if we can't get this baby hooked up and let's get going. We'll take a break, and due to digital magic, we'll be a little bit more prepared. And let's see if we can get this baby turned on. Nice and easy. Just for now. Not much gas left, so my first time at the welding store is not going to be fun. Alright. Get that hooked up. Should be okay. And from the video I saw earlier, the guy was putting the ground in the positive and turn that baby in. I'm gonna get the foot pedal ready. Just about to note oneself that they give you plenty, absolutely plenty, and I'll be wrapping all this up later on, folks. I just feel like my old man would be embarrassed if we didn't at least try to lay a bead down. Nice and easy. Alright. Ground, foot control, gas. Whew, what's next? I need to figure out what that thing does. Alright, we will return. Alright. After a few seconds struggle, we got this baby ready to go. Alright, and that baby goes into there. Tighten that up. Air-cooled torch. And my old man said if I get into aluminum, I think they make it's easy to upgrade to a water-cooled torch. But I don't think I'll be welding for extreme long periods of time. Nice and easy. I mean, and this is just so flexible. It feels so nice. Alrighty, what do we gotta do now? We gotta hook up the power and get this baby. We gotta take it easy with this one. Stay. What is this thing? Warning to avoid danger from suffocation. Freaking cribs. Looks like a little tool or something. Wire brush. Oh my god, is that a welding helmet? You know what? That's cool. I use this little welding glass for the GoPro. Oh, that must be a handle for the helmet. Alright, we got that one out of the way. Let's just get this stuff right out of the way. Now what are we gonna do? We gotta pull this out. Shouldn't be too hard. We got any directions? Let's just grab one of each. At least they give me an extra one of those, huh? Imagine we're gonna need one of these and one of these. Do I need one of those? I don't know. Does that one fit that one? Not really. And right now I have no clue what I'm doing. If it was a MIG welder, wouldn't that go into there? Gonna have to get some better light. And let's check the directions after a short intermission. Alrighty, let's try this again. Here's the gun. Well, that must be the heat shield. This must be the collet. What do I need to do? Does this need to be in there already? And then does that thing go in there? And then this guy, it goes like that. Let's give it a try. And then heat shield, collet body, cup. Yeah, baby, summertime is here. And how's this? Is that just attached just like this? Or like this? Threads in there. Uh-oh. We don't have much stick out. How much do I need to come out? Is this what we need? Uh-oh. This is when things get scientific. I don't even know. This thing has like a weird end on one end. These directions don't really tell you too much. All these videos don't tell you too much. Can I push this in a little bit? How's that look? A little bit of stick out, a little less. How's that look out? A little less? Too much? That looks good. All right, we got that together. Careful. All right, let me clean this up and let's make some sparks. Power. Zeus, I know, buddy. Should have cut him, I know. Well, we're just gonna do 110 for now. So we figure out better electricity. And I have to find my power. It's over here. No, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close, Zeus. Let's see how this goes. Let's turn this baby on. Turn this baby on. Stop. Up slope. Pulse. High, low. I'm seeing a lot of different buttons, but nothing for on or off. What's up back here? Alright, looks like it has it's got 2 different plugs. 2 fans. We are moving a lot. Alright, we're just gonna weld some steel. So we're gonna TIG and we're gonna go DC and 2T and welding current. There we go. What does this baby go up to? 147. Thinking, let's try that. All these other parameters, we're just gonna have them all right about there. Well, with my old welding machine, you just kind of have to, it's like the chart goes. You have to fuck around if you want to find out, but yeah, this baby is blowing a lot of air. So we're gonna have to keep this thing clean. And let's see about the gas here. Ain't not a lot of gas left. Oh boy. Well, I shall return after I make welding preparations. Alright folks, let's see if we can make something happen here. Foot pedal, machine's on. I've never done this before. I have a feeling we're gonna, and I got no filler rods, so we're just gonna do a fusion tack weld, and I'll be happy tonight. Cheers. Whoa! Whoa, mama! Well, we know it works. I know I need more amperage. Maybe we're gonna take a break and we'll sharpen up this electrode like we're supposed to. Wow, that was really cool. I'm excited. Alrighty folks. Now we know this baby makes sparky. Cranked up the amps to 115. I sharpened up the end the best I know how. Let's see if we can try this again. Nothing terribly pretty. Let's see if we can try some more amps. Let's try this again. Hey, with no filler rod. Holy moly. Oh, horrible. It was blowing right through there. Good. Well, folks, Rod Guy's got some practicing to do.